Hey guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will customize import the demo data of Listeo WordPress theme. This is directory and listing theme. Let me show you the demo of this theme. So you have to search if you're looking for any location, if you're looking for apartment, classified, coaching, drink or restaurant, fitness, gym, other services in your area. So this is the theme where people mention or display their services or their restaurants. So this is work like a directory. You have a complete directory and you just have to search for any service. You have to choose the location, United States, or you have to choose New York, anything, and you have to click search. It will find all the services in that particular area. So this is nice theme. Let's get start with install the theme on our WordPress, and I will go through step by step how to install, how to customize the front page, how to customize the blog page, how to customize the every section of this theme. Okay, so here you can see when we search the services in New York area, and you have to choose the category in apartment services. You can display any, customize any services provide on this website. Okay, so it will automatic show you the location and area. This is work like a directory, what business available in that area. So let's get start. First of all, we have to install Listeo theme. Let's go to appearance and we have to click add new. We will add our new theme here. So we will click on upload theme. We have to upload our theme file here. Let me show you my theme file here and click install now. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded our theme file. Now we have to activate our theme file. Click on activate. After click on activate, our theme will be successfully uploaded. Now we have to go through some basic steps. If you're a beginner, I have explained very beginner way, very friendly way how to make your directory listing website more professional look. Okay, let's click on let's go. We have to click on let's go, and this is the some list of the plugin that they are said that we required in order to run this theme. So what we will do, we can either skip this, later on we can install this plugin, or you can install right away by click on continue. It will start installing all the required plugin on your WordPress. So as you can see, we have successfully start success all the plugin we required. You have to wait. It's depend on your internet connection, how fast your internet connection is. All the themes, all the plugins will be installed and activate right away after you click on continue. So later on we don't need to do any customization for the plugins for any other demo content, because this is the way setup way we will include all the demo content. It's include everything, so we have to go through step by step this process. And later on I will also show you, if you want to customize some options, some category, how to do it, what category you want to provide into your directory listing, what option, like example, you want to provide some information about restaurant, car dealers, or services, all the services, all the option how you can provide in the listing in the directory, so people will visit your website, they will able to customize, they will able to find out specific services they are looking for. Okay, so I will go through step by step, so stay with me. Let's finish all the plugin. We have to install these all the plugin in order to run our theme more professionally, more strong way. Do not skip any of these plugins, because maybe later on, if we skip this and we install some only required some uh, theme plugins, but other plugins we leave, it it might cause some widgets on your website will not shown, or any other layout issue. It's possible because some of the themes comes with the plugin, they required into import the demo content. All the plugin they help to bring all the content right in the structure. So we have almost completed installing all our plugins here. After successful installing our plugins, we have to click on next section, and we will look for what is our next process, next step we will go through. So we have successfully installed all the plugins here and activated. Now it's time to click on go to the next step. Do not refresh this page. If you refresh this page, your plugin will not be installed or activate successfully. So we have completed this section, and let's go to our next step. So next step we have the pages. It will create some pages on your website which we required later on. Okay, so we will definitely include all these pages. Click on continue. It will take some time again. It will install all the media, all the contact form, post, pages. These all are demo content. It will install the demo content, but if you are looking to run professionally this directory business, directory website, you have to upload your own content later on. This is just for example. We import demos, so we have idea about or what pages we required, what plugin we require. It help us a lot, but we will not keep the media or a post or pages to avoid copyrights things. Okay, so we have to wait until we finish this process as well. Guys, we have completed this step as well. Now let's go to our next theme customization. Here we will upload our logo and other stuff. Let's customize our theme. Okay, let's go to click on next. Here, if you have planned to sell a product, or you want to provide एक चुप करदा नहीं मैं वीडियो बनाना if you have planned to enable multi-vendor marketplace, example, if you want to allow to people list sell their product on your website, then you have to install this Dokan plugin. What this will do, this will allow people, allow service provider to upload their services on your platform. But if you provide all the service, if you want to provide your own listing, own services manually, then you don't need this plugin. So we will, for now we will skip this option. Now our theme is ready. Now let's click on view my website. Let's view the website. As you can see guys, our website ready, and we have some menus. We will set all these menus later on. Okay, as you can see, we have all the options: apartment, restaurant, eat, drink, event, fitness. Every option we have installed. This is the listing. We will upload later on. If someone want to buy any services, they will able to purchase that services. And we have a testimonial, about us, all the section, a blog as well. Everything we have on our website. Okay, so now important thing is here, people can add listing, people can provide, they can add their own listing. They have to choose the packages, and this is the call Dokan. You need Dokan plugin in order to enable these services. Okay, so I will explain you later on all these sections. Let's click on the customize button. First we will set our logo and our other stuff. Click on customize. You can click on customize from the front page, or you can go to your WordPress panel and click on appearance. From the appearance you can click on customize appearance, and you can click here customize option, this option customize. Okay, so we have opened our customize section where we will upload our logo, other stuff, and we will set our main menu as well. So click on header. So click on header. Okay, so let's go back to our WordPress panel, and when you scroll down you will see the option Listeo editor. In Listeo editor we have to click on Listeo editor again, where we will upload our logo, other stuff. I will go through step by step, so stay with me. So in order to customize our front page, we have to go to open our front page into another tab, and we have to click on this edit with Elementor. Let's click on edit with Elementor. We will customize this theme with Elementor, which is very beginner friendly and a very simple process. You can even customize anything you want. So let's check out if we have option to upload our logo included in the Elementor. So we have open, and let's scroll down and look for the sections we are able to customize. We can customize our category here by clicking the pencil icon. You can provide category, even you can include what listing you want to include in the category by clicking here. You can choose what option, what services you want to display in your front page in the popular category section. You can choose the category from here. Okay, or if you want to exclude some category, you can exclude as well. For example, this eat and drink, I don't want to be here, I will exclude it. This will gone. As you can see, there is no eat and drink category here now. This is how you can exclude and include the categories into your front page. Next section we have most visit places, the listings, main listings. Okay, you can, I will show you how to change your how to customize, how to upload your own listing here. Okay, so for example, for first of all, we will go to the option listing packages manager, where you will set your own packages. For example, If someone want to list the product, list the services into airport, you can change package. Burger house, a fitness center, you can customize all these section you want to include in the listing. Okay, so now let's go to add listing form, where we will able to list new services. Example, the categories here, the events here, services category. You want to example, you want to customize this category option, click on this pencil icon. Here you have to choose that taxonomy, and you have to so first of all, let's go to customize our Listeo core. We have to go to Listeo core section, click on Listeo core, where we will customize our theme. In Listeo core, we are here in the general option. You have to provide some basic settings here. For example, map setting. When someone search any directory in specific area, you have to choose some settings here. You can leave it default. Okay, what some here is some options like map provider. What map provider you want to include, like Google Maps, you have to require API key. Later I will show you how to get that Google Map API key. You will enter it here. Okay, in order to enable map section. Submit listing, let's go to submit listing section. In submit listing, sport listing type, services, rental, event, or even classified, you can enable it. Even you can upload the own icons, service icon, rental type icon. You can upload any car image, event type icon. You can choose your own image here. So if someone upload any listing on your platform, so you want to review the listing manually, you have to click this. Okay, let's go to next option, listing duration. So how many days those listing will be active on your website? 30 days. Okay, how many images they can upload on your system? This is very nice because you will have limit to people upload the images on your platform. You can provide them limit, you can provide them 15 MB space, and click save setting. Next option, we have packages. These are the important setting. In order to successfully run classified website, we have to do these all setting. Let's go to packages option. In packages option, we have to choose different packages. For example, let me go back. Let me open my front page. Okay, here is option add listing. People will able to add their own services. They will click add listing. When they will click add listing, they will see some packages like basic package, there is no cost, extended, professional. They can choose their own packages. Okay, they have their dashboard section. Okay, so what option you want to allow? Okay, you have to choose all the options here. Check a module to disable it in submit listing if you want to make them available only in package. For example, these option you have to provide what option only available in these packages. You have to exclude them from here. Okay, so let's go to single listing. If someone want to submit single listing, so you can leave all these services default. Let's go to booking. If someone want to book any services through your platform, they can book any services. Like they want to hire, they want to look for any car rental, they can book booking on their specific date and time. Okay, so allow owners to make booking. You can enable this option. Okay, and if you want to disable payment in booking, you can disable it. So, and we have instant booking option, required payment first. Yeah, because if someone want to book any services, they have to pay first. They have to pay via PayPal. You have to enable this option. Okay, show expired booking dashboard. We will not enable it. How long booking will be waiting for payment? If payment not successful up to 48 hours, their account package will not be approved. And click save changes. You can customize it how you want. Okay, next option we will go to browse and search option. So people will go to your website. Let me show you. They will have option this to search, customize. They search the area or services they want to search on your platform. This is the search here. Make listing type related to category, or if you want to restrict any search address, for example you are not available in New York, you have to enable restricted location. People, for example you don't want to allow New York, you can exclude that service, that location later on. Okay, and click save changes. If someone want to purchase any services, or if service provider, for example if someone has car rental business, they want to upload their listing, or they want to pay for the services, how they will able to pay? They will able to pay via PayPal. You can enable these PayPal services, and you have to provide PayPal client ID. For more, you can go to PayPal website options. You will get your client IDs in setting PayPal. Okay, and pages. We have pages option. Like if this is the dashboard, for example, if someone click on my account, and they have to firstly create the account with your website, and when they log in, they will see some options here: my booking, my listings, reviews, bookmark. This is the dashboard we are allowing them. Let me show you. This is the dashboard for them. How many listing they have uploaded, how many view they got. So we have to choose every pages very wisely. When you remember, when we import the demo data, we have complete all the import all the pages, so you don't need to do anything here. Okay, so let me go to some other options here. Listing, we will go to listing option, and all listing. Let's check out what listing we are providing right now. For example, iPhone, burger house, sunny apartment. These all are listing in specific location, like Los Angeles. Sunny apartment published in Los Angeles. Someone will search any apartment in Los Angeles, they will get this listing. How to do it? First of all, you have to choose your listing category. Click on categories. First thing, you have to think about what type of services you want to provide, like apartment, restaurant, events, fitness, or gym, other services. You have to choose all the services. And if you want to add more services, you have to choose from here, like air conditioning service, free parking, instant book, personal training, pet friendly, and you have to select these all the, for example, you want to assign these all into service category. You have to only choose service category here and add new category. You have to wait. You will see some of the option will be added to the services. Okay, because we have choose service category. If you want to assign any new category, if you want to create new category which is not available here, but some of the assigned feature for this category, for example, let me choose local services. I will enter local services here in the category, local services. Okay, and you have to scroll down. In local services, what option available? Like in local services, I have rooms and I have a weight machine, wireless internet available. We have select 3 option for this local service. So we keep scroll down, and all these options are belong to service category, yeah, or classified category. You have to choose it and keep scroll down, add category. You will see we have add local, yeah, local services. In local services, we just add this category, local services features. You can see features, what features available in your local services. This is how you can upload your own listing. Now some of the options here, like a services category, you want to customize something in services category, you have to click a service category in the listing section. In the service category, there is nothing right now. You have to make the category into services category. For example, uh, roof repairing service, you have to make the category related to home, or you can provide the name related to your home, like fixing, home repairing, something like that. The category, service category, you have to provide. So this is similar rental category. Let's go to rental category. In rental category, there is no any category inside it. You have to create category here. Example, in the rental, what we rent, car rental, car rental. We will make car rental category. We will make bike rental, or depend on you guys what service you want to provide, what category you want to provide in rental service. Click add new rental category. So this is our car rental category. Later on we will add the services to this category. Okay, so in the features, let's check out feature section. In feature section, we have different all the detail of the services, free parking, friendly work. You can edit all these sections here if you want to make some changes. For example, air conditioning not available, you can remove it. This is just a demo content to explain you. Okay, you can upload your own, like pet service, home roof repair. You can add it from here, add new feature. Okay, let's go to next, reasons. Is your website only available in Los Angeles or New York? You have to add it, and you have to add new reason, like you want your service is also available in other area, like Miami or other USA cities. You have to provide the name of the city and add new reason. You have to provide add new reason. So if your service is not available in your New York or other cities, you have to delete those, or you can even edit the city here. This is how very simple it is. So now let's go to our front page. we will make some changes here. We will click on edit page in the front page section. Okay, this is our front page. We will scroll down. You will see, keep scroll down. Let me check. Okay, we will edit it with Elementor. When you click on edit with Elementor, you will able to edit your front page. Let me check first what option you will able to edit with Elementor. Let me check this out. Yeah, some of the front page, yeah, you are not able to edit the front end header and footer. Okay, so let's check out first this, how we can edit this, how we can add our logo. So let's go to customize, try to go to customize section. In customize there should be options to upload the logo, menus, other services as well. We have to wait. Yes, we got all the options here. Okay, keep scroll down. Let's go to site identity. Okay, here we will add our logo here. Let's choose your logo. Choose logo. Our logo will start displaying in the front page. This is how we will customize our front page, so it will look more professional. We have to remove other logos. Okay, every time you make changes, click on publish. You will see our logo will be there. If you don't want to upload your logo, you can even provide site title. You can enable site title. You can see Ask Up Tech is now showing here. This is how I told you, you can even provide the letters here in the site title. It will start displaying in your website. You can enter your website name. If you not have logo, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, every time you have to enter, once you enter your site name, click publish. It will start displaying instead of logo here. Okay, next option, we have we have a lot of menus here. How do we fix it? We go back, we scroll down, we will go to menu section. In the menu section, here main menu, we will click main menu. In the main menu we have a lot options. Example, we want to display in the menu some features like e-commerce category. If you are selling e-commerce product as well, then you need this category like e-commerce, finance, investing, technology, lifestyle, download section. Okay, these are my default setting. Okay, we don't need these. Okay, so let's make our own menu here. Let's check out other menu, primary menu. So let's start creating our menu here in the primary menu. So let's add item, what we want to display in our logo. We want to display first landing pages, or you can click categories. Yeah, like categories or like that. You want to display category like services, apartment, event, other. And after you select your category, when you scroll down, you have to check this main menu. It will start displaying here and it will look more professional, very nice. I will show you. When you choose new menu, you have to click this main menu option. Let me show you. You can see guys how professional it look like now. Okay, all the options available here: service, apartment, event, other. Okay, this is also as I told you earlier, you can choose the category, what category you want to display here. For that you have to add it with Elementor. Add it with Elementor. We will edit these categories. In popular category, what category you want to display, you have to add it with Elementor. This option will be editable with Elementor. You have to wait. Once we open our Elementor, or let's go to first footer section. Let's customize our footer now. Again, click on customize. Click on customize. Yeah, we have clicked on customize. Now we will go scroll down to the footer section. You will see, if you see this header, you see nothing down, you have to scroll down. You will find all the options here. We will find footer. Yeah, here is footer section, footer options. Let's expand it. Okay, this is our footer now. So first of all, let's change our footer name. You have to change into copyright text. You have to provide your own website name, theme by, or you can provide your website name like Ask Up Tech, my website name. Okay, and every time you make changes in the footer, you have to click publish. Which section you want to customize in the footer, you have to click that pencil icon. Let me show you how. This is a very easy way guys. Let's, okay, now you will see the changes in the footer. In the copyright we will get our website name. You have to wait for it. Yeah, you can see Ask Up Tech or right reserved. Okay, we have changed it. Now let's edit our logo here. We want to display our logo here as well in the footer, so we will click this pencil blue icon. You don't need to do anything, just simple click the option you want to edit. Okay, click on the text section. In the text section you can see they have displayed the logo. If you don't want to display the logo, you can remove it. Or and in the downside there is a about website about section. You can provide some nice lines here about your website. Okay, let me show you. If you want to change this logo, you have to click edit option. You have to provide your logo here. You have to remove it and you have to again provide your insert link. By insert link or add media, you have to upload your logo here. If you not have logo, that's okay. You can provide your about us, about something, nice lines about your website directory website, like people more attract, like they able to sell their own services in our platform. You can write some nice lines here. Okay, so you can add it. So I have upload the logo here. Let me, you can upload the logo by clicking add media. So as I have already uploaded, and it will start displaying here. Until let's edit our website section. Okay, I will select it the complete, and I will enter some nice lines here. You can promote your services with us. You can promote your services with us. Every time you make changes, click publish. It will start displaying the about us, the lines on your footer section. If you see your logo looking little bigger, you can even fix it. You have to align center, or you can align it, so you can make it smaller like that. You can make it smaller. How small you want your logo, you can do it. You can expand it, you can scratch it, you can make it smaller like that. This is very easy. Okay, so every time you make changes, click publish. Now let's go to next section. So we have next section, the menus here, helpful links. We will click this pencil icon and you will see navigation menu section. And navigation menu section, they have display some review, bookmarks, booking section, booking category, some here. Okay, so I will teach you how to display some other links here. Click on navigation link, and you can see they have choose helpful links. Okay, you can make the special footer menu for that. Okay, as they have select the helpful links menu here, you can even choose the footer menu. If you not have any footer menu, you can make footer menu by clicking, by go to, let me show you. Let me open my WordPress section into other tab. You will only see some like a header, some primary menu, but if you want to make specific menu for the footer, you can make it from here. You have to go to appearance, and you have to click on menu. Appearance, click on menu, where we will make our own footer menu. I will show you step by step how to make customized menu. Okay, so now let's create new menu. Click on create new menu. Click on create new menu here. After click on create new menu, you have to provide the name of the menu. What name you want to provide, or you can let me show you, or you can do one thing here. You can name it like a footer or on footer. You can name it, just you have to remember the name of that menu, on footer. Okay, and create menu. In the on footer, when we create this menu, and it will start showing after we click create menu, it will be empty. We have to add the menu section, add the links later on after this. Okay, so we have create the menu. So you can see here, add menu items from the column, from the left column. Okay, what option you want to provide? I want to provide some first my account. Okay, let me go add listing, blog section, booking, bookmark, cart, checkout, contact us. You have to choose what option you want to provide here. Okay, I want to provide some page links here, so I will choose from the pages. Once you have select all the some pages you want to add into footer, click add menu, add to menu. It will add here in the column. You have to wait. You can see it already display here. You can, you want to show the blog in the upper section, you can make it upper. You want to booking in the next number 2, you can display booking. Contact us, you can set in the down. Okay, this is how. Okay, let's now click on save menu. We will save our own footer menu, and later on we will choose this menu into our customized area. Let me save this first. Okay, now we will choose that menu here, navigation menu section. Okay, if you just create your menu, you will not see that menu here. In the navigation menu, you have to click with the mouse. It will expand the menu here. Okay, let me select menu. If our own footer menu, yeah, you can see here own footer. I choose own footer, and the menus, the pages we choose, it will start showing here. Okay, like that. Blog, booking, add listing, we all choose here. Here we choose all the, right? So okay, how this is how you can choose your own menu. In contact us, you have to again click on pencil icon, and pencil icon you have to click right click of the mouse in the text section. Here again you can provide contact us information in the, in this wizard area, in the address area. You have to delete old one, you have to provide your phone number, your email address. After you edit this, click publish. This is how you can edit the footer. Okay, so this is the blog section. In the downside blog, how to change, you how to write your own blog, you will see in the post section. All the blogs, you will see all the blogs there. You have to you will create your own post, own article. All will be start showing here from the blog section. Okay, here are some popular category. I teach you just you can choose what category you want to display here. When you edit with Elementor, you will able to edit all these sections. Even you can write your own words here. You have to click on edit with Elementor. Let me show you just quickly. Okay, let's refresh the page. After refresh the page, you have to click edit with Elementor and wait for open Elementor. So we have already opened our Elementor. I will teach you how to edit those sections very quickly. That is pretty easy, guys. You don't need to do anything for that. You have to edit is very simple. Editing with Elementor is very easy, beginner friendly. Once Elementor open, every time you want to edit any section, you have to click that pencil icon, the edit icon. I will show you. For example, you want to edit this popular category, you have to click this edit button, edit pencil icon. For example, you want to change some in the paragraph here, you want to write your own words here, you have to click this pencil icon and you can enter anything here in the subtitle. It was subtitle will start showing here in the downside what our users say here is in title. Keep scroll down, every section you want to edit, click on edit pencil icon. What post you want to display here, you can show your own post. In the blog, same in the blog, how many blog you want to, you have to click this pencil icon. How many blog posts you want to display, you can choose 3 or even you can choose 4 5 6. Let me choose 4 5 6 and it will show 6 posts in the front page. Every time to, yeah, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 posts in the front page. Every time you make changes, click on update. Okay, so this is how it is easy. I really appreciate, please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, I will bring more nice videos for you. Okay, so thank you so much for this watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.